Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to connect electric cooker UK. Firstly, locate your core consumer unit and switch off the cooker circuit breaker. Use an electrical tester to confirm the circuit is not live. Most cookers in the UK requires a dedicated 32A or 45A circuit with a cooker control unit. Check the manufacturer's manual to determine if you need 6mm or 10mm heat-resistant cable. Strip about 5 to 10mm of insulation from the ends of each wire in your cooker table. You should see 3 wires, live, neutral, and earth. Locate the terminal block at the back of the cooker and connect the wires as follows: brown to L terminal, blue to N terminal, and green or yellow to earth terminal, and tighten the screws firmly to ensure a secure connection. The cooker outlet plate is usually located on the wall behind the cooker. Connect the wires to match the corresponding terminals and secure the connection and reattach the faceplate. Switch the power back on at the consumer unit and turn on the cooker using the control switch. Test the appliance by setting the oven or hob to low heat to ensure it operates correctly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.